Hello and welcome to Glycobreath, a breath-based biosensor for type 2 diabetics. In this video, I'll be giving you a walkthrough demonstration of our working prototype. Let's begin. The first step is to push the power button to turn the device on. You're met with a screen that says Glycobreath, and you have two options. Either push the green button to begin measuring or take you back to this home screen, or you can press the blue button to take you to the memory, which gives you your last 10 readings used on the device. The next step is for the user to press the green button, and that prompts the user with a screen that says warming up that tells them that the sensors are warming up and they need 6 seconds. There's also a bar in the middle of the screen that fills up to alert the user. Once the sensors have warmed up, they need to calibrate for 3 seconds before being ready. Once they finish calibrating, the user is met with a screen that says calibration complete, and they need to prepare to begin sampling. The user then receives 3 beeps in a ready, set, go style that come from the bottom. If you can see on the bottom right of the device, we have 2 speaker holes. Behind them is a buzzer that is giving them that prompt. They also have a screen prompt in the beginning on the screen that says ready, set, blow. The user then blows for 6 seconds and allows the sample to be captured in the breath collection chamber. Now that the sample is in the breath collection chamber, we have 2 check valves on both sides of the device that prevent the air from escaping the chamber, and on the bottom we have a solenoid valve that also prevents the sample from escaping the chamber. The user is then met with a prompt on the screen that says measuring, that tells them that the sensors are currently measuring what's inside the breath collection chamber before giving them the result. Again, this takes about 14 seconds, and we have a yellow bar in the middle that tells the user the progress of the measuring. The user is then met with a screen that says normal, good job, in a nice green. If they had a worse score, they would get a yellow, which gives them a warning, or a red that tells them they're hyperglycemic and that they need extreme caution. The sound that you also heard after the measuring was complete is the air pump within the device that is purging the breath collection chamber of the sample. So then reset it.
Just give it a second.
Next, the user is brought back to the home screen, in which they can press the blue button to see their results again if they need to.
Okay, no press.
Here you can see the number entry you're on, which is 1, the date of your measurement, and the time that it was taken. And then you have a status there that tells you the status of your sample.
Keep going, just scroll.
The user then presses the blue button again and again until they get to the one they want to see.
Keep going, keep going. And then wait for the charger. Wait, after you do this, it's going to go back to 1, and then you have to press the green button to get out. Wait till it goes back to 1.
Once they've exhausted all 10, they press it again and get sent back to 1. Pressing the green button will now take the user back to the home screen. This also shows the user a cooldown message that tells them to please wait 10 minutes before using the device again to allow the sensors to cool down after their measurements.
Okay. No, point at the charger. Yeah.
On this side, you can see the exhaust vent in which the air pump is purging the device out of, the exhaust, and then you also have the USB-C port there for charging the device.
Yay.
Also of note is this mouthpiece, in which it is made out of Biomed Flex 80A material, which is biocompatible. And the case itself is made of Biomed white resin, which is able to withstand drops from 1.6 meters in the air.